Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's continue with number 1, shall we? Which states, a pole vault stick is leaning against a wall, touching the wall 16 feet above the ground. The bottom end of the stick is 12 feet from the wall. How many feet long is the stick? Well, looking at the word problem, I'll just read it again and I will begin identifying the sides. First of all, I wrote a triangle to your left. We will identify these as X, Y, and Z. A pole vault stick is leaning against a wall, 16 feet above the ground. Obviously, this would be the 16 feet above the ground, touching the wall. The next sentence says the bottom end of the stick is 12 feet from the wall. So if X represents the wall, and the bottom end of the stick would be approximately here, this would be 12 feet. So obviously, the question asks, how many feet long is the stick? And that would be represented by Z. And that obviously we have to solve. In order to begin solving this, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared equals z squared. X is 16 squared plus y squared, which is 12 squared, equals z squared. 16 squared, or in other words, 16 times 16, is 256. Plus 12 squared, or 12 times 12, is 144. Equals z squared. We add 256 and 144, which gives you 400, equals z squared. How do we solve for z? The inverse or the opposite of squaring something is doing the square root. So the square root of z squared is z. The square root of 400, after doing the calculations, is 20. So the answer to your question, how many feet long is the stick? It is actually 20 feet long. And that is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.